The future of SAP is already changing fast. AI, automation, and intelligent systems are transforming the way companies run their business. Let's see how SAP MM and other modules will look in the next few years. SAP is moving toward AI-driven decision-making. That means the system won't just store data, it will analyze, predict, and recommend actions. Examples: AI will predict material shortages before they happen. It will suggest the best vendor based on performance. It will analyze previous invoices and detect fraud or mistakes automatically. AI can forecast demand, lead time, and purchase quantities with higher accuracy. In simple terms, SAP will think for you, not just follow instructions. Automation is becoming the biggest upgrade in material management. Here's what automation will do: Auto PR and Auto PO creation. MRP will automatically trigger PRs and convert them into POs without manual work. Automated GR and IR matching. The system will automatically match PO, GR, and invoice, and block only the cases that genuinely need attention. Touchless procurement. For repeat materials, SAP will buy, receive, and verify goods with zero manual input. Bot-based repetitive tasks. RPA bots will perform tasks like mass PO changes, vendor reminders, uploading pricing sheets, verifying material masters. This means less manual typing and more accuracy. SAP is adding voice assistants and AI bots. You can say, "Show me all POs pending for approval," or "Create a PR for 100 pieces of material XYZ." The system will do it. This will make SAP more natural and faster to use, similar to using ChatGPT inside SAP. SAP is also moving into predictive analytics. The system will tell you, this vendor may delay delivery. Stock will finish in 5 days. Material price will rise next month. Better order from vendor B instead of vendor A. This will help companies save money and reduce supply chain risks. AI will help SAP MM users make smarter, faster decisions. With all these upgrades, SAP MM consultants need new skills: understanding automation, Fiori apps, basic AI concepts, data analysis mindset, end-to-end business knowledge. The consultants who adapt will grow fast, because the future SAP system will be smarter, and companies need people who understand how to use that power. The future of SAP is intelligent, automated, and AI-driven. If you stay updated, you will always be in demand. Follow SAP MM Hub for more future-ready SAP knowledge.